Stop a moment and breathe with me. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Breathe gently. Consider this. Many people have created false pathways between deserving and receiving, and this creates unnecessary resistance to receiving all the good stuff that is waiting for them to be ready to receive it. At the moment of birth, you took that first breath. You received the very stuff of life, and you had at that point done nothing to deserve that very essence of life. Receiving should be like that first breath, effortless and organic. As you breathe, you receive. So let us breathe together for a moment, breathing in for the count of 5, and as you breathe in, recite these words: as I breathe, I receive. And then, as you exhale, exhale appreciation for all that is now, for all you are receiving, and for all that is coming. Exhale the appreciation like a wave radiating outwards to all that you appreciate today. Those around you, your family, your animals, the beauty of nature, whatever occurs to you. Let your outward breath be a breath of appreciation for all that is that brings you comfort, peace, joy, or ease. Let's do this together. Breathe in 1 to 4 and repeat. As I breathe, I receive. And exhale 1 to 4, radiating appreciation. And again breathe in. As I breathe, I receive. And exhale appreciation. Let's go again. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. As I breathe, I receive. And exhale appreciation. Inhale. As I breathe, I receive. 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 Exhale appreciation. And so, as you move forward in your day, remember that receiving is an active, not a passive state, and you want to become as masterful at receiving as your body already is at breathing. So if you feel stuck or lackful or fearful, pause a moment and breathe. As I breathe, I receive. All my needs are met. Everything I wish for comes to me, and all the answers I seek are actively seeking me. As I breathe, I receive. Go walk in love, dear ones. Love, always, Liz.